Lord is my light, my salvation, my song. Whom shall I fear when He keeps me strong? The Lord is my fortress through darkness and strife. Whom shall I dread with Him in my life? When the wicked rise up and come for me, it's my enemies falling, they're the ones who flee. Though an army surrounds, I won't lose my way. My heart standing steady, my faith won't sway. There's one thing I ask, one dream I keep near, to live in His house through all my years, to gaze on His beauty, sit by His flame, to seek out His presence and call His name. When trouble rolls in like a cold midnight storm, He'll hide me safe in a sacred home. He'll lift me high on a rock so tall, above every shadow, I'll stand through it all. My heart will rejoice, my soul will sing. In His holy tent, my praises ring. With a shout of joy, I'll lift my voice to the Lord, my Savior, my heart's first choice. Hear me, Lord, when I call out Your name. Be merciful now, don't turn away. You said seek my face, and I'll always do. For Lord, my heart keeps running to You. Don't turn away or cast me aside. You've been my helper, my shelter, my guide. Though my mother and father may walk away, You, Lord, will hold me and let me stay. Teach me Your way, Lord, straight and true. Guide my steps in the path to You. Don't hand me over to lies and hate, for false witnesses rise at every gate. Still I believe with all my soul, I see Your goodness in days I'm given to hold. In this land of the living, Your mercy shines, Your love forever, and it's mine. So I'll wait for the Lord, I'll be strong and brave. I'll take heart in His promise, His power to save. Yeah, I'll wait for the Lord, come what may. For His light will lead my way.